Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to create a variable drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So we are given a sheet in which we have the list of employee names, the start date of their employment, the city to which they belong, and the state to which they belong. Now what I want to do over here is, I want to create a drop-down list so that if I select any state name from here, it should filter out all the employees belonging to that particular state. You can see Neil is an employee who belongs to the state of Punjab. If I select some another state, let's take Maharashtra. So you can see there are two employees who belong to the state of Maharashtra. One is Arav and second is Siddharth. So this is called as a variable drop down list. And at the same time, I want this list should be created in such a way that any records which I add later, it should also be reflected in this drop down list. So let me show you how you can do that. First, we'll click anywhere inside this data and convert this into a table. In order to make this as a table, we click on Insert and we select Table. My table has headers and then I click on OK. So you can see the table is created. I uncheck this filter button. So all my data till the end is selected. Now in order to create this drop down list, you have to just click on data and here you have data tools. In data tools you have data validation. So here you have data validation. So from this you have to select list and in the source we'll select all the state names like this and then click on OK. So now we have a drop down of the state names. Now in order to get the data over here, we'll use a command called as filter. So let me show you how it works. I'll type equal to filter open parenthesis. Now first it is asking me array. So array means the data which you want to filter. So I want to display these three columns: name, start and city. So I select my entire data, then I give a comma and then it is asking what to include. So I select this data and then I type equal to and click over here. That is it. I close parenthesis, hit enter, and now my variable data list is ready. So I'll select any state name from here and I get the corresponding data for that particular state. Now let us see if we are able to add new data to this table. So I'll select these rows from here and I will just right click and say unhide. So there's already some data over here. I select this data and I move it on the top and join it with this table. Now let us filter the data for Punjab and see whether this Dhruv gets added to it. So I select the data for Punjab and you can see the Dhruv, this employee has also got added into the data. So any new records which I add will also be reflected in my variable drop down list. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.